Yan, okay na ngayon. Perfect in middle.
Two thumbs. We will push them down straight down, but not through by through. Now we're going to separate your thumbs apart slowly. Alright, good job. I-release ang kamay. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng cylinder. I-relax mo lang kamay mo. Ako ang maglalagay ng pressure. Ako pati ang gagalaw. I-compress natin. And then slide our fingers up. Yes. One more time. Press. And then slide our fingers up. Very good. Now we're going to feel it better. All you have to do is slide your hands up. Walang pressure. We're going to go up, up to the top. Good job. Now, katulad nila, you are going to shape it into a bowl. So, ang pressure manggagaling from your inside hand. Itutulak mo siya palabas. Habang tinutulak, tinataas. Dahan-dahan hanggang taas. At the very tip, stay, and then release. Go! I think you're doing good. Tulak. Tulak pataas. Tulak, yes. Up, up,
Laki na sa'yo, sir.
up to the top, at the very tip. Stay, and then release. Just one more time. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan lang. Tulak dyan. Ayos, okay? Go up to the top. Pull up, at the very tip. Wow, ang laki naman sa'yo. Parang bulalo na. Now we're going to feel it together. Walang pressure. Akong maglalagay ng pressure. Gusto ko ramdamin ng dalawang kamay.
Ayun daw yung...
There you go. Now I'm going to smoothen it. Good, good. Ano? Masarap?
Di kakainin. Di ba?
Lalaki na sa'yo, sir. Oo nga.
Lalaki. Hindi rin.
Sakto lang.
Kasi mag-flat siya. Flat.
Picture ko. Kamay ko.
Sure kami ni namin. Ay, picture
Oo,
ka.
sarili.
Nakaw, ba't ako wala?
Oo. Pero ikaw ang champion. Ikaw nauna eh.
Sa akin lahat ng...
Naturuan ka eh.
Na-board ako.
Naturuan sila sa iyo. Okay, anong pangalan?
Ano po? Dan po.
Dan.